is a trinomial. All right, give me an example of a three-parter here. What's an example of a three-parter? Clinton, give me an example.
Maybe 3x plus 1
Minus 8 or A?
8.
That works. That's 3 different parts, right? Okay. What we're going to start looking at, it'll have a lot of times like an x squared, let's say like a 3x, and then a 4. Okay, so we're going to start looking at what we call trinomials, x squared, x, no x. Okay? All right, so now if we're looking at a degree, okay, look at each individual part. Okay, so what's the degree of 3x, Emmanuel?
1.
Okay, 1. Peyton, back to you. What's the degree of y?
1.
1. Good. Evan, degree of A.
1.
Good. Okay, now we're moving, oh, sorry, so then what's my degree in this case, Emma?
3.
Mm-mm. Pick the biggest. 1, 1, 1. Pick the biggest.
X.
Tatiana?
1.
1, very good. Okay, I mean, we're coming down here, we got 0 and 1, 1's the bigger. Okay? Okay. Okay, Caitlin, what's your degree of x squared?
2.
Guadalupe, what's your degree of 3x? 1. Chloe, what's the degree of 4?
1.
Is there a variable there?
No, there's no.
So it would be 0.
And then the greatest is 2.
Very good. So my degree here is 2. All right, let's try one more. You guys are not instilling a lot of confidence in me. You understand what's going on right now. All right, so let's do x squared y plus 4y to the third, no, y to the fourth minus 6y. All right, Ben, start us off. What's the degree of the first part here?
3.
Good. So there's 2 and 1 is 3. Okay. Kevin, what's the degree right here?
4.
4. Quentin, what's the degree of this guy?
1.
1. All right, so if I'm looking at that, what's my answer going to be here, Ellie?
4.
Very good, degree of 4. Okay, so are we starting to pick that up a little bit?
Yes.
Okay.
So if the variables are next to each other, you just add them.
Yes, if they're together, you're just going to add them. So you're looking at this guy, this guy, this guy, pick the biggest. Okay? Okay, anybody else have a question on degrees or monomial, binomial, trinomial?
Nope.
Okay. We're going to go now and we're going to actually look at a couple examples on your homework or on your worksheet here. Okay? We are going to look at example 1. Okay? First thing they ask you to do is determine if it's a monomial, binomial, trinomial, and then state the degree. Okay? I'm going to give you a couple seconds here, try number 1. So which one is it? And then tell me what the degree is. All right, Diana, what did you get here? What type is it?
The first one, monomial, and the degree is 1.
Very good. Monomial and degree equals 1. Does anybody have a question on that? Okay, go ahead and try in 1B now. Let's see what you come up with there. Well, do they have the same? They're just combining like terms. Okay. Why? I like your degree. Can you combine things? All right, does anybody have something they want to try on 1B? 1B is a little kind of tricky. Caitlin, what you got? Oh, not right. All right, Polly, I like Polly because she's seeing 4 parts, but what did Caitlin miss? Huh? I disagree, it's not a binomial on 1B.
It's a trinomial because the
Okay,
two is
combine like terms. Okay, so remember we talked about, remember we put all these examples, you guys kept giving me examples of binomial, but they're all monomials, because we kept having to combine like terms. Okay, same thing here, if you can put those together, you put it together, okay? So this is saying negative 3y squared, a positive 2y, and a minus 1. That's how we're getting a trinomial here. Okay? now the degree, oh, you have a question?
Yeah, I have a question. You will never combine one that already has an exponent?
Right, a y squared cannot be combined with something that has y to the first. These cannot be put together, they are not the same, okay? Like a's and b's can't go together,
Yeah.
squareds and ones can't go together,
Okay.
okay? All right, what else do you guys have? So now what's my degree here? Jen?
2.
Good, degree equals 2. Okay, all right, go ahead and try number 3 here real quick. All right, Quentin, what do you think on this 1C here? What type is it? Binomial, yeah, binomial, okay. So binomial. All right, any volunteers for the degree? Chloe, what do you think?
4.
Okay, she said 4. Chloe, what if I say no?
What?
You got any other ideas? 4 is not right. Okay, who just said 5? Okay, why are you saying 5? Because 5 is correct.
Because X, shoot for that X has 1 over.
Oh, I didn't see that.
Do you see what I'm saying? Okay, so now what would the degree of this guy right here be?
That's
3.
3. So then you're right, degree is 5 because it's your biggest. Okay, remember you gotta put all the exponents together on each part. Okay, on each term. Okay? Alright, 1D, Ben?
Binomial.
Oh, Ben. No. Ben, why are you wrong?
Oh wait, you have to put the -4. It's gonna be 10 over x to the 4th.
Okay, can you have a variable on the bottom
No.
of a fraction?
No. So it's
No. So this is just not a polynomial, there's nothing you can do. Alright, anytime we have that negative exponent, we throw it out right away. So you're gonna write not a polynomial. If it's not a polynomial, there's no degree, there's no nothing. Okay, so a negative exponent is bad news. Alright, 1E. Manuel, what do you think here? Okay, monomial. Alright, anybody, Quentin, what's the degree?
0.
Very good, no variable, no degree. Okay? Alright, does anybody have a question on 1A3? No? Okay, the last one we are going to look at for today